Dear Marcos, thank you from the bottom of my heart for this masterpiece. You built it with such sensitivity and dedication. Your soul can truly be felt in every tone. Not now for me because I have to get familiar where all the keys are. Anyway, we've known each other for what feels like forever, since the early days of handpan making around 2010-12, or maybe even before. I fondly remember our meeting in Milano and many inspiring conversations we had about music, sound, craftsmanship, and the magic behind. To me, you're not just a wonderful handpan maker, you're a brother in sound, one of the first, one of the real ones. I truly hope that someday soon we will meet us again to share, to play, to dream together, to play with sausage dog. Until then, I'm playing this beautiful instrument with joy and deep gratitude. Now let me invite you to discover its note with me.